This is the session of Oracle Performance Tuning. I am going to teach you one topic on Oracle Performance Tuning, and I'll discuss in this session various topics on Oracle Analyze command. Okay, so let's start this session. So in this session I'll going to discuss about Oracle Analyze command, Analyze tables. What is the Analyze tables? First one is, why do we need to analyze table in Oracle? Next is, why it is important. Number 3, analyze table command. Number 4, what is the benefit of using analyze table. Number 5, what are the importance of analyze tables. So I'll describe each of the point and each of the question one by one, and I'll discuss it in detail. Okay, so let's start. Before start, I just want to introduce about myself. I am Rabin, and I have total of 17 years of experiences working with various Oracle technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL, Oracle database architecture and design, Oracle forms and reports development, Oracle database administration, Oracle performance tuning, and also Unix shell programming and scripting. So in my 17 years of careers, I have worked with many MNC companies, and also I was holding in many positions. So currently I am a senior Oracle consultant as well as technical and corporate trainer and interviewer. So I used to train people and candidates throughout the year, and I have been teaching Oracle different technologies and Unix technologies over last 10 years. Also I am I takes the training for corporate training. I takes for corporate training for various MNC companies when the employees are joined in various MNCs. Also experienced people of the companies also, they joined in my training, and I have been taking interviews also various MNCs for recruiting the peoples. Okay, so this is introduction about myself, and just I am going to start to discuss about all these points about the very important topic, Oracle Analyze table. This is the part of Oracle performance tuning. So whoever working with performance tuning or whoever working as a DBA, this video will be very informative and very useful for you, I guess. So just I will discuss about one by one, we'll discuss each of the topic in detail. Okay, so now I'm just okay. So this is the Oracle performance tuning topic, analyze table command, and I'll analyze. This is the session about discussion about analyze tables, and this will be the complete discussion about this topic. Okay, so why do we need to analyze table in Oracle? This is the first question. So analyze table helps Oracle to determine how many rows are in the table and how storage is allocated. So analyze table is basically a SQL or SQL command which helps Oracle to determine how many rows are in the table. So whenever we are execute a analyze table command over a table, it determines the how many rows are exist in the table and how the storage is allocated for that particular table. Okay, next, why it is important. So why analyze table is important? The most important information the optimizer gets from this process. We know the optimizer, what is optimizer, and this is important because Oracle optimizer gets information about the number of rows and about the number of blocks in a table on which the analyze command is executed. Okay, and what is the analyze command? Analyze command is used to analyze a table. Okay, so the example of analyze command, how to use the analyze command, the syntax is analyze table, that is schema dot table name or just table name if you using the current schema, and then compute statistics for table. Okay, so I repeat, analyze table, table name, compute statistics for table, or you can use just compute analyze table, table name, compute statistics. Okay, now benefit of analyze tables. What is the benefit of using analyze tables? So we have to understand that when joining two or more tables, you should analyze all the tables that will ever be used in the join condition. Okay, so which probably means that you must analyze every table in your application. So whenever you are going to create an application, you maybe use different queries in different part of the program. So whenever you are writing your query using join condition, make sure that your tables are get analyzed before that. Okay, next, benefit. What is the benefit of analyze table and analyzing the table? The benefit is the performance improvement of performance. Okay, so now the optimizer, after analyzing the table, now the optimizer will attempt to use the table which with the fastest with the fewest number of rows or blocks as driving table. Okay, so after analyzing the table, whenever Oracle gets its information, it will actually attempt to use the fewest number of rows and blocks which the table has the fewest number of rows and blocks, and that it will take as a driving table. Okay, for the joining condition. And next, this is should reduce the total amount of disk IO necessary, right? If Oracle choose the table which has fewest number of rows and blocks, so this will automatically reduce the disk IO usage, and hence it will improve the performance definitely. Okay, now what are the impact of analyze tables? If we analyze the tables, what will be the impact? Okay, so when you analyze the table, Oracle populates the following following tables. I'll tell you. Some columns will be added in the data dictionary tables. Which what are the data dictionary tables? The data dictionary tables are DBA tables, DBA underscore tables, all underscore tables, and user underscore tables. So whenever you execute the analyze command, some columns will get added to these data dictionary tables. Okay, 3 data dictionary tables. So what are the columns are added to these data dictionary tables? Or populate the data dictionary table columns. The columns now the columns are there are number rows, num rows, num underscore rows, which actually identify the number of rows in the table. And next, second one is blocks, that identify the number of data blocks which the table used. And number 3 is empty underscore blocks. So this is the number of data blocks the table have used. Okay, so these columns will be get populated in the data dictionary tables. Okay, these 3 columns. So now note that the blocks plus empty blocks plus 1 equal the total number of blocks allocated to the table. Okay, so we have already seen here blocks plus empty blocks plus blocks plus empty blocks plus 1 will be the total number of blocks which will be allocated to the particular table on which that we will use the analyze command, or we analyze the particular table. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was informative for you, and I hope it was useful for your learning. If this video is useful for your learning, just comment below, and that's all. Thank you very much, and you can share this video to your friends, colleagues, and whoever you know. And thank you very much for watching this video. And if you want to join my personal training session or programs, I basically provide the training on different Oracle modules, as Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PLSQL, that is PLSQL programming, Oracle forms and reports development, Oracle database architecture and design, Oracle database administration, Oracle performance tuning, and also Unix shell programming and scripting. So if you want to join my any online training session of these courses, you just call or WhatsApp me as the given number is there, or you can email me as the specified email ID. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and bye.